man who be mad, the Chris.
You had
a stop you. Quiet. I said, my cooking in the house. Mama. What would you marry me? Walking out of the me. My also house. I don't know where. I this poor bastard going to cost me.
Don't you know he's my father-in-law?
You hear him? You hear him? You hear that one?
What do you concern has there and this thing?
Okay, if I can't be driver now, does that mean say if I do something for this house, I had that man on tell me Abi?
What do you concern driver and get my work?
Am I not supposed to be carried along so that they do something for this house?
young we forget. Don't say about no go see forget. You can't tell me. Wait, my ass make a put this in. You got the question, maybe.
Why you go put her without my authority or without my knowledge?
Why I go tell you give your guy?
If I be your guy. People like say your own done too much for this house.
You don't too much already, my brother.
Your own done too much for this house.
Not too much. Your mother they call you.
See, listen to me. If you go receive your salary this month, if you go receive your salary this month, if you don't change your bad character, you don't get salary.
Okay. Also say now you be Oga where they operate bad character. Sam, go where they go. Mother they call you.
Now go where they go.
Go where they go now.
Now go where they go.
Go close motor. Your mother they call you.
The truth tell me say people are not short, say that they get short memory.
Yes, now because I will be David in the Bible.
People are short like this, they get short memory.
We are David in the Bible and we will keep Goliath. Sam, go your office. Go your office.
And if you try this thing when you do now, if you try next time, you ask your boy, wow. Short devil. Try that thing again for your life.
You see, I don't like to not see your belly. They touch me. They say short devil. Yeah. So, now I don't know. What be that one? I come.
You can't go now. Come put the door.
Come here, you can't go now.
Who get? Open the gate now.
If I will look for, so open gate. Who they look for?
You dey crazy? Me pray the gate. You dey mad?
If I don't do,
What's this about? My own son house. I've been you say my beginning for America.
If I don't know now. If you don't tell me, you tell me now. You stop me.
You supposed to know. Say my son is in America. Now I get this house.
Yeah. And I'm gonna get this house now.
Who be your guy? My own son. Now I get this house now. Huh?
They don't tell me say you go come now.
You supposed to know say my son. Who dey crazy?
Epa, you don't insult me. I don't like it. Now my office there, you don't insult me.
You got your office.
Now you're my office now.
Me I tell you, my son is in America. Me I tell you. You know it's you.
Epa, no your son in America.
They mad. Bobby, I don't know. They mad. They crazy.
You hear them? Epa, my
May I stop you? Quiet. I said my beginning in this house.
Mama.
What would this man over here? Walking out of me. My own son house. I don't know where. I don't know mama. This poor bastard. Gonna cost me.
Don't you know he's my father-in-law?
You hear them? You hear that one?
Mama, if they sing for me, my pikida bro, I hear.
Rufus. Maybe you don't go there. If it's easy.
Baba,
to go America.
Omewesa.
Egui. Huh? Egui. They born you at yourself. Do they born you? Huh? Be careful.
My office are there.
Rufus. You go office. Get over here, man.
Ayo, Papa.
What do you do? Me, what do you mean, maybe?
Ome.
My son, you don't know my son in America.
Sorry, sir.
You don't know who they pay for monthly.
Oga.
Who be your guy?
Oga.
Boy, we have you on one. Who be your guy? My son. That be your guy.
Yes. Bokamba. Garu wasa.
Why is it me ask you a question? Why you say you short? Why you short? Why you play them when I short man so? Anything more here?
David.
David, you are.
David in Bible.
Idiot. Come on there.
Bokamba.
What go there? Another put here short man.
Bokamba.
now is on fire. My guy in that former house, they set it on fire. So like this, now carry me to the madam of the house.
That's why I will kill you now. If you don't shut up, like, if I slap you.
What do you want?
Sure. You just not forget to. Okay. That's what they look for. You say see the somebody the gate one.
Oh, the herself?
Yeah, herself.
Oh, okay. It's
okay, my good one.
Madam, this house is fine. Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon. Oh, and ma? You understand me? No. Oh, what type are you? Yoruba. Oh, okay. What's your name? Iretiola. That's nice. But you haven't gotten the job yet. Why did you come here back? My Oga knew. You see that place where me and for the work before? He pursued me. What happened? He picking, that is the boy, the 5-year-old boy. Okay. You give him food, he know it. Give him, he know it. And me, I look at it, it's not good. Small picking stay, he know it anything. So me, I carry the picking, I hold it nose. Don't act like this. Come they put the akamu, that is ogi. The ogi. Come they put that. Before you know it, don't begin to do like this. They do like this. Like far when they pour am for to type. They done it. They done like this.
You killed someone, child?
No, he never died, but they carry am go one hospital like that. Rufus! Madam,
Please take this girl out of this house.
wait now, madam, they go.
Get out! Take out! Move! Madam, somebody come out! Out! You say out!
Stop!
No, sorry, madam.
What is this? Mogwale Asep. Who dog bewa? Ha!
Come here. Do bad. Let me speak do bad. You don't know say do bad?
You know even people.
Come here.
This madam, our matter don't tire me.
Oh, your madam.
She just do as she say now only she get the only husband with there abroad.
It's easy to marry person that abroad. Why you no go there abroad go stay?
I don't go abroad go stay.
Yes, now.
When she do the same message anyhow.
But they pay you. They pay you. You send message, you go. You be husband. Your madam, they send message.
If you forgot to pay me, need you here, man. Sam do this, Sam do that. She don't even look baby with different side of me.
Man. My uncle, open gate. Rufus, open this one. You don't know? You know that be the cheap this thing for this place. You go see finish you today now.
Don't be they pay you for. Don't be gate man. You supposed to drop this gate anyhow because that's they pay you for.
What you don't talk nice? You talk true too. I see.
Sam.
So, madam.
He wants to know. I'm making him marry Vazette.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what he talk? Can I come in? What he talk?
She get any reasonable thing when she want to talk. Then make her go wash motor. Say get where we they go later.
Hey, you go wash the motor now. Now go somewhere later. You go wash them. Now if they pay you, let me pay you.
I go wash motor.
Yes, now. You go wash motor now.
See, one day we'll join together. Take this madam for this house.
I'm gonna take out. Go give up. You support me, Abi?
We'll join together. We'll take her.
Yes, now. You can't go jail.
Open the gate. I want to go wash motor.
Your friend drive come for open gate now. Ah, you dey small open gate, you stand.
Go open gate, no be here, I want drive pass.
Yeah? You want drive past the gate?
Yes, sir.
You don't wash motor, you never wash, you never clean am. You want just drive after gate. See your... Don't let me talk. Come on, you see your life? See Bele. Go, madam, I gotta go.
I dey call.
Your mother they call you, will kill you today.
Our madam.
No, not be your mother.
No be your madam. Give me liver.
You dey find cola not abi?
Liver na talogbe.
Rufus, what we are here? Forus, we are here. Rufus,
Epa. No more.
Who are they here? And that's why I'm dirty for his company. Because they might not the ass. See motor. Touch him. Happy for your hand.
This man don't wash this motor.
Now, go wash him. Too dirty.
Epa, be get mal. Now driver they wash this motor. Let me the wash him. Now I have my work. Who the driver? Now I go wash him.
So me not send message now.
You go send message you. But let's who drive and wash him. Where would the gate man go pull gate? That's what we say for this.
Time you call the driver.
Sambo! Sam! Sam, come on! Oh, God, Papa, they call you. Sam, come. Now, that's what you do.
Barry? Samuel?
Pardon.
Hey. What you book and what you do? I will play.
Yeah. What is that? Over.
Yeah, bring one.
I'm going
I never know money, but when you have to work, when you fear.
The person me watch this motor.
Someone, who they drive this motor?
I made the driver.
Okay, who they get?
Now you the get.
I get my constable become driver.
Forget that side. Now me I be your papa, your guy, papa. I'm not saying you message. Maybe you can't carry bucket, come with this motor.
Since you can't talk now, you deaf.
Okay. Baba no first soon. I'll they get the open gate. Say, Rufus, open gate. I'll open them. He they follow me go open gate.
That one concern me. I'm not saying you message. Now me get the house now. I'm gonna get the house.
Go wash the motor.
Too dirty.
Epa, I no wash motor. Now, who the driver may wash him?
Epa, he left waka. He don't was to. Ovi gbo mi wa for the na. Ovi gbo owa mi wa for the. He don't was to wa get away.
Me go send you message. You go say no. Me. Your guy master.
Epa, your first message. But this one, who the driver? Sam, what? Now you the driver, you no talk.
Okay, as a part they talk now, you want to tell the person.
I did go. Aga, what die? Worry. Rufus, come carry bucket, come with motor.
Epa, no, let Sam, who carry bucket, come wash motor.
You the crash?
Ha! Open the last order. That part they send you message so.
Okay.
You know what?
Epa, now maybe gate man for this. You don't concern gate man and the driver walk.
As a part customer, you watch this motor. I can't go wash them now.
Nabati.
Epa, let me employ you. Now my owner to day for gate. Now so.
A phone. I'll send you your phone.
You don't wash.
No sir.
Rufus, you said what?
Epa, my owner to day gate. Open gate and close.
That is if motor go, you no receive money.
Sir?
Women go, you no receive money at all.
Epa, no be employ me. What did happen? Epa, no be the employ me. No, I'll come employ me.
Also, as you do
Now I go pay my money.
So you get mad.
Epa.
I know what you do your back. That your back, fabric and fair. No, your mother. I go wait for me.
See, if you get sense.
If I don't do, you carry your face, you don't do. Rufus, Sam, you will watch motor. What time be this thing?
If you get sense now, go beg a panel.
Sam, carry your belly. Sam, I'll do. Sam, who say don't let me open gate once?
You see, person talk to you now, you do like this as soon as you know pass.
Sam,
go watch this motor now. Make us off.
Sam, who the drive motor?
Now me the driver.
Sam, you drive motor, you go watch Sam. Me now, Rufus, open gate and close it. Catch you no go
Go beg a partner for Wakafa.
Sam, go come on, you know if your problem, I call up your problem.
I did talk to you and I know they hear what now. See, a pack go vex.
Okay, now they put together.
Come wash her.
I know wash motor.
Come wash her.
Yeah, babe. You think, wow, you got the silver watch? Sir?
Who pretend? Who pretend?
Ah, Baba, I'm on.
Oh, we get it.
On the gate, ma.
Oh, we go for that matter. And then we have warrior thing.
Ah, Baba, my man.
Warrior thing go.
Baba, they will not soon.
He get we go to Walu. Yak we moto na bring. Of friend time we go. I will be able to die. I will expect we moto. He was a mo ba ya be ya ma go. Me. Owo we me. We warrior thing. You give my power.
Baba, amen.
They are me.
Baba Lawo. Baba.
I go.
Ide Baba Lawo. Total every.
We before you other way. I hear me. You know that.
As I suffer, they tell you now. Your man just tells you now you don't arrive now. Go beg a power.
Sam, no vessel. Sam, just can't take this one.
Rufus.
Madam.
What happened?
Okay, madam. Thank you, madam. Welcome. Madam, still, now Sam they dry motor, now they wash her. My own to dig it.
Yeah.
Now Papa say make I wash motor. I say now Sam, now they wash.
You shut up. What did you call a mat? What nonsense? He asked you to wash the car. Why did you wash it?
Hi.
You keep that thing you call a mouth shut. What's your problem? What right do you have? He asked you to wash this car. Why did you wash it? Shut that thing you call a mouth. And you were here.
Madam, get no soon.
Shut that thing you call a mouth. Who are you fast for? What are you nonsense? Huh? I want you one way anywhere. Wherever down now there. Huh?
Yeah,
Good luck. See, let today be the last time. Today it was a slap. Next time, you will be sacked. Rubbish.
See, if you get sense, I can watch this motor now.
If blue, you no go like him.
Come watch this motor now.
Side B. Mama can watch motor. Let me drive motor. Make it something time.
Come watch her now.
Oh, come on, no, can watch it. I made slap me, Abi.
I dey warn you now. You
See my face.
know Waba. Shit, Waba.
But that way. Can't
do one major.
No, try this thing, Nasa.
Go do what I put.
Mr. White House. Rufus. You know the Rufus. Yeah. Who the Chris? Huh? I go where? You say I decided to call you.
No, I know at the officer, sir.
Crazy your head. You want me to check that your head? Go and put it for me.
That you know answer my gift.
I wrote you in here. Put it for me.
Okay. Okay, you want to go somewhere?
That's not good. Open a big one for me.
Okay, you want to drive? Come on, Daddy.
I know the drive. I want to work out. Come on. You know, open it for me. Open it, finish that. I know your work. Now start work. I want to go out to Fakumba to open up for me here. Okay. Say they may not sleep for you very well. Okay.
Who's can't take this one? There's some person for once. Open small gate. This I know let you pass. Open big gate. Open small gate. I go resign, no. Baba!
Open the gate. nothing. Okay. Now you are working. Good boy. Don't come back here. Don't pass now. Come back. Yeah. Monthly. Open gate is money. Small gate is more money. Yeah.
I don't go work again. I don't work again. What the open small gate, open bigger. Stand like you pass. I won't resign. I don't go work again. What did happen? You want to suffocate me for my own work? Sure. Open small gate, open big gate.
Rufus, give me this money now. Eh? Give me money.
As I tell you, me no work.
Shop me, I'm not worried.
You know say I love you. Eh?
Carry that your love, go outside.
Okay, no worry. You know say, Morgan want send money. If you send money come, I will give you. I beg. Okay, you know what happen? If this month end, Morgan send money come in, I'll give you money. I'll take off you. Your younger one, that exam, I'll pay the money. I'll give you money. I'll take off your mama. No worry. Now, yeah, I love you. I love you.
I bet not they talk that love.
Don't worry. I'll take off you.
Who take off me? Rufus, now love I go take buy something for market. Maybe I go carry that love, go use and buy food for market. Eh? Rufus, give me money now. Sure you know so me they take off my younger one. Rufus, why you do like this? See, Rufus, if this month ends and you not give me this money, if you not give me this money, Rufus, no problem.
Rufus, I have to be person. Sammy pass me.
We finish and bear for now.
Bear for now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Madam, I don't do that in finish. I don't find now. That place is my go clean. I don't clean and finish.
It's fine, no problem.
Huh?
I said go.
Make her
Get out.
Nonsense.
Like play. Me don't say useless driver why it road. As I just park like it just drive it just enter.
Sam, wait, no verse. You say who enter Rufiam?
Not be the useless tuke driver.
Now driver I be. Or you be. Let me driver you be.
I be tuke driver. Person where they drive lessons now tuke driver.
Sam, the problem you have, you know they believe say you useless.
Well, you are very stupid.
Okay, now wait for heater.
Now, see that the feather for this boy, there's no.
Can anybody go?
I'm not sure.
Open that one! No, doctor, not spirit.
Who did that?
Who did that?
It's me, please. Thomas, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon.
Oh, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Thomas, sir.
How are you? Come.
I never hear now.
See?
Yeah, who never want?
Yes, sir. Madam, anyway.
Madam.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Maybe
Shut up. I will come in now. I have no problem.
No problem, sir.
Ah.
Oh, when you do me a now.
Yeah, I will come in now. Don't come in here expect any visitor. Anyway, I'm the landlord of this house.
Wow!
Yes.
Demo.
Go back. You say wait. Say it. It's okay. Say you are the waiting. Sam, who's the driver don't become landlord of the house? Eh? Come on, driver.
Muja. A driver we're here.
Driver, come on. Sam. Come on, driver.
You can fool yourself.
See, now maybe the real or got part of this gate. It's my post. This one.
Like madam, me.
What is your name? Selena.
Eh? Selena.
Maka go see madam. Mo dey go.
Better.
Another time.
If you try this thing.
Another time.
What's say now? What's say?
What can get my
Selling.
can the mayor?
I'm going to get
I'll get
Sam.
Respect yourself.
Sam.
Respect yourself.
Sally, baby.
Respect
Wait,
yourself.
Sam.
It's a baby.
Baby.
Respect yourself.
Sam,
I will be baby.
let me have a from
You
you.
be homosexual. That good now.
Sam.
I can slap your face.
Sam.
Hey, no, Jeremy.
Sam.
Motiwa. Came in now. When we understand the Edo. So I called you guys. We have a new cook. I brought her myself. Her name is Selena. Selena,
Yes, ma'am.
this is my driver.
Okay.
His name is Sam.
Sam.
And that's the gate man.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is my father-in-law.
Okay, sir. Okay. Domo, sir. Domo, sir.
Okay. So she's going to be the cook. You understand? So when you need any food.
National life now. You see what penny with the total and you look at that person. Oh yeah, I don't hear what you talking. I don't on it. Who tax we are here. Oh, go for name. Shh. We're here. Oh yeah, I'm coming to one to go now.
You go now. One more there. Follow me. One follow back. Follow me.
What's all this nonsense?
Sorry.
Thank you, ma'am. Domo, sir.
Hey, my dear.
Please, you get me some juice.
Okay.
Give me.
Baba, what's on?
I want. Get what I'm my better. I want to want to. I got who I was with the party. Hey, goody. You go. Why am I memory? Give me.
Madam. Mimi ya no ume. Zeve no ya de mimi na go tin. Umari mimi na go goma dia. Even do hama we say. We say madam.
Selling you don't marry bana.
Eh maja, o e tin we gbe nu we una. Mo understand.
You understand? We are telling you here.
We say.
Okay, can he treats you as one? Understand? And secondly, despite you are my employee, you're making me a slave away.
We say ma.
You understand? So,
And even if it bomb away. When I know you ya de. We say.
you make it anything.
Me ya wa fit me. We say ma.
It's okay, no problem. So
Yes.
let's say,
Yes ma.
I need juice.
Okay. You didn't hear more.
No problem.
Wait.
I'm telling you.
Eva, the energy still there.
It is.
Easy, Eva, you still strong.
I struggle.
Why you Eva?
I be strong.
You go out take back.
Let me quiet here.
Oh, when mama?
If my work, like in by I work a kind of woman. You need to need. Oh, you took on.
Oh, I shook me.
We don't know where we go by what to go.
Where you go? Me no hear my say.
Eh,
Kona. Who work mama?
I'll tell you. I will not go kid.
Easy.
You say,
Oh, be me. Get me. Who did you
I
fear?
will tell you.
What sort of nonsense is this?
Sorry, ma.
Will you get out from here?
Sorry, ma. Good afternoon. Sorry.
Get out!
You may live out there. Oh, I live out there. I live out there.
Baba, what happened nonsense?
Them now we beg. No. Them now we beg.
Why is that what you begging me? When I call me?
Most of you where?
Ekwe mwe.
Do
In my living room.
we living room. But I'm not going to go there. It will go with me.
Did the one on here?
We work at the follow.
Walking on with my maid.
Oh, that 20 living room, not telling me.
Then here it's
But let me walk with me. Every man will go to I
with my cook.
With my cook.
If
I had them any what I quit nonsense, you might like him now. You might like him, what I win. Then you not to do this kind of thing, you might like him. If I had the women now, you might like him when I quit nonsense. I don't come walking on the walk here. If I stop your nonsense now, you might like him, I will take this from you. And this is my husband's house. I can say what comes in and what goes out. And you might like it, stop there. You might like it, oh, you might
Aha. Emegana. Aha. Gabon. That's 2 million naira. Put it in my house. My egg money. I will send you extra 100,000. Oh? 2 million naira. Later, 100,000. Okay? Aha. How is everybody now? Oh.
My baby, my baby. So much money, my baby. Hey, you see, but you know they do me well, though. I dey hear all the talk when they talk on your phone. You know they do me well, eh?
Now you gonna follow that big belly. You don't see me?
Me?
Yes, now.
Wait, oh, see. How you look me? Check out. Me?
And
So you believe say me, I go stoop so low, make that big belly climb me. No, now you dey whine.
I didn't whine.
I don't fit do anything with them, oh.
Okay.
No.
You come with that, you go call it all. Oh, matter my man, oh, man.
After the money.
Okay, after the money.
You know they understand.
I know this kind of thing. You call me that, you call it talk, you get talk to many and me.
Oh yeah,
that has money.
He don't do. To find me something, my baby.
No, I have money.
Find me something, my baby.
Rufus, madam, they call you.
Yeah, Sam.
Madam, they call you.
Sam, no verse me. Who say madam only send me, come call me?
Who madam want concern? Because madam here to boy to do call you say she they call you. Eh?
Yes. Then madam will come in. Rufus, open the gate. Rufus, lock it. Rufus.
Okay, make madam come down from up because say they call you.
Who say madam don't say me go call me?
Oh, you want me madam come say now come tell say he dey find you. If madam
Only say video. Jẹ́ o láì gbé.
Okay, madam tiẹ̀ ọlọ́run lẹ̀ ó láì gbé. Iye time madam.
Babe.
Wanna be?
Why you be like this? Why you okay? Show me. Don't make her come on, Nabi.
No.
Eh?
See, madam not dey call am. Madam dey call you.
Okay.
I just want make she just come up for you.
Okay. Now me want go meet that madam now.
Which madam?
You say madam you come here, Abi? Me want go meet madam now.
See, madam not dey call you. Madam, they sleep.
Oh, madam dey sleep.
Yes, sir.
Sam, you go interrupt my semen. Miss.
And when I say bad belly, madam dey sleep. Just relax your mind.
Sam, you can't destroy the top man.
Hey, we are going to go to the time. That's Serena. If she open the Bible like this, fear will let you. Fear let you.
Yes.
Really? You just die before that.
Sam, if you try, so you try next time. If you try him, you don't like me.
I bet that's it. Madam will call you.
Okay, madam will come Abi.
You know they call you.
You call Abi?
Yes.
So you don't happy Abi?
Before call.
Try again. Try that nonsense again, me.
Wait a minute, what can I do? Respect yourself. Leave this girl alone, make you not come die.
Man, leave me.
If you try talk to her again, this much salary I'm not gonna pay you.
Okay. Something must kill a man.
No be this one will kill you. You are quite gonna win.
Give me.
No be this one.
Respect
yourself. No be this one will kill you. You are quite gonna win.
Sam, if turn down, no fire you. Voice off. Change my name. Selly. Very fine. Selly baby.
Honey, I'm going to be now.
Elle, the man got there. Now that they come get man, Elle, no got there. He just want me to notice her.
Only better nigga, so do I. Nothing arena. So what's up now? What's in the apple?
No, you fine, sha. Where boss?
Let's say thanks for the compliments.
So I go be now.
When we go out and no book, and when you go measure.
I understand.
Yes, now.
I understand. Where
money.
No, even no mind. I know where they go play now. One of the day go play.
What did they play? How much?
I'll give you 5K.
5K. You go no matter me, you face eyelashes. No matter me, you face in here. When you me, class me now. Class me. I carry front. I carry back. Who the 5K ni me? You don't want me.
You know, sha, but you give me salary 15,000. You need 5 kilo. You here?
Only say. Only say anything. Money na money. I'm coming.
But what is that? You can't do here, sha.
Mine. Hey, madam, tell me.
Sam, what is that? Sam.
Sam. What's that here?
You don't watch motor. You there they talk. You Omata mame. Motor they no watch am. Madam come on now, this man come and you talk.
Stop shouting now.
We day you become when they direct me I go watch motor.
Who say you come become your guy where they talk to him?
I don't fit talk to her.
No. How are you?
I'm fine.
Sexy. What did they happen? You look beautiful today. What's up? I will get this clothes. Fine, no.
Thank you. I'll be fine girl before
you.
You
Fine girl. No, they talk to this man.
Rufus, you're not duty post.
Okay. Sam, you're not duty post.
See, no, not take am easy. I beg, take am easy. Una two body to the hot. What did happen?
Nah, they cause I'm.
When I not come fight on my matter.
No, see, the way where you see this one way for this house is not good though.
Nah, maybe the GM of this gate.
And when I can get to our way. I beg, go your duty post, though.
My duty post.
Yes.
Come on
for here.
See?
Yes.
See, have fun now.
That matter now, you come on for here.
Well, only say, we will not be.
You say you can't see me. You can't see me. You can't see me. Six pack. Walk over. Chem.
No verse. I just be busy small inside room, you know. Let's say if madam be around. Since they change.
Okay. You go. Abi.
You go now.
Sam, because I you. Don't watch photo. Madam, come now. Madam. Talk to you. You say you come, Abi. I expect you.
Controller.
Wait.
Only two in what I can say to you.
Well, give me a queen on a net tech. On a little bit, they can also. Oh, you pocket.
I thought what different way. If you don't fall, you just there.
I get class. I get class.
I don't know.
I look me like this, so in a class, man, may I
I
know.
don't see get class. Man, also keep your nose going and I working out.
Honestly, loud boy.
You
Igualene. Madam, I'll get to agree or so.
See, madam, you leave that woman. As you there, you don't keep me company.
Last time I eat it.
Sam, you know more Selena Ariaki. More no making okay. Selena.
Yes, ma'am.
The list you go.
Yes, I'm going.
You go the same you go receive it.
Receive it.
Well, I get I can making a
Okay, ma'am. Come.
I'm not eating, so be fast.
Thank you, ma'am.
The coffee motto.
Oh, right. Wait, I come put up for you.
Sam, wait. What did happen?
Wait happen.
What to make you? Where you they can go?
What's happened?
What happened? What happened? You say you want carry go market?
Yes, now they go market.
Sam, give me. As I be drive this, give me. I want drive.
Drive with you.
Sabi drive waiting.
Motor, na motor.
Which kind of talk they talk for mouth? Now how you want kill you define?
No.
Now you be driver for this house or you be gate one.
Oh, you don't have to say be driver.
Now maybe the driver they drive. As a matter of fact, Madam say make I carry ask her go market go buy something come.
You see, selling. That the way Oga Papa slap me. Eh? Now we don't turn my tongue. Show me you wash motor. You say no, it's man wash am. Nah, eh? Out of drive motor. Give me key.
I'm not going to forget me. I go.
Why you do like this?
Don't go forget. Say what are you?
Damn boss. Oh, stop everything.
Get man, no. If we not here, get where, not get where the motor like that where we give any amway a house guy key. No, they look at it. Or I come out when you say motor near where you have motor there now. For what?
Thank you, madam. God bless you. Madam, since that way, Oga Papa slap me. Say, man, watch motor. Now some wash am mo. Channel green. Nah, I say make me drive since we don't come by tongue. Make me come and drive, sell go market.
You be driver?
Since when?
Since that Oga,
something wrong with you. You mad? Since when? Are you a driver? Eh? What is wrong with you? What log why you wanna? What I not setting? Why go on woman you to what I want? Eh? Will you shut that thing you call a mouth?
Go up for me.
Go up that gate.
go up the gate. Madam,
get out! When or raw, when I win. Then at the water, when I win not setting.
Sorry, ma. Sorry, ma.
La moto was in a you was in a.
Will you shut up?
Sorry, ma.
Follow our nene. Will you open that gate?
Daddy, yes, think about the way.
Make sure you will make it. I whenever you are good as wife to be.
And the sexy baby.
Yet
in the sharp. Yet in the sharp.
Anyway, I go was a walk to me. You go
Daddy, hear me say no.
What did you?
Bye.
Bye, Macamon.
Oh, you never. If I did it. Daddy gay.
No,
Let me watch you now. Why only what you know? I see the hot. You know, yacht song. What the 100 came in.
You get anything here?
Trust the way now.
You got medical, you get dollars, you know, okay.
No problem.
So what do you think we're born in Mediterranean?
We are one need to make good.
Yeah, you go to
I'm a smart baby. You may be there.
If you want to
Hey, if I did you, okay. Nothing.
Where is it? Why are you okay?
Come. Are you done cleaning?
Yes.
Take me. What do you come?
Rice and chicken.
Okay. Let me have it.
Miss Mary.
Okay, my dear. Where did you go? Are you working?
On work. What's on the?
Television we give maybe you watch and people are television here about
Selena, let me have the water.
This call madam calls so I fear.
Not because
I'm because calling you.
Not because you madam.
How?
Because you know they finish for problem.
You go surprise now, say this call when they call us now because of you.
You see, I'm just now.
See, I sorry, I just forget. I will say I go ask you the thing you just escape me.
For that money,
Not be money. That your girlfriend will go to see you forget. Now, I never give you I never say. No, they pinch me again. That your girlfriend will say you want marry.
Nah, that one we talk now.
What do they talk?
Now, what do you
see, he don't marry. He get one girl we go to see her for gate. You see, that don't
no worry. See, I know how many madam come with us for you.
They talk to you.
Son.
Madam.
Rufus. What is your problem? What is your problem? Why are you guys misbehaving? Wolowa. Nana miye we kobe ne Selina ya lawana iwa banana wa igbe. What are going nonsense? Why are you guys stressing me in this house? Today bust, tomorrow boss. Is something wrong with you people? Huh? What are going nonsense? Huh? You know what? When I me, who want me a Selina?
It's not me, ma.
Will you shut that thing you call him out?
Sorry.
When I go nonsense, we're going to want me to you told one.
Sorry, ma.
Why blow me? Bramo, blow what? What pay me? Ah, ni talo man la wa gbe.
We are sorry, ma.
Shut up your mouth.
You are the cause.
Sam, what business do you have with the cook?
I know.
They do business with them. I don't get business.
With Alame la wa gbe bana, et your madam. E ko emu e. Huh? Rufus, what business do you have with the cook?
Not to open gate to Eve.
Not to open gates. No, not to the always the quarrel.
Nine.
Do when I
You say?
when I
Like you they come my why they walk.
Hey, if this thing repeats itself again, only sake.
No.
Should I sack her?
No, ma, I'm not because.
Will you shut that thing you call a mouth? You are the problem.
I'm not. What did I do now? What did I do? You are the cause.
Because of you, Sam, Rufus, and my father-in-law, they don't have rest in this house, even me. What kind of nonsense is this now? What kind of nonsense is this? Eh? And I'm talking, you're talking. I'm talking, you're talking. It seems something is wrong with you. Get out.
Get out.
Get out!
Pass there. Get out.
Oh, Nene!
Troublemaker.
You
Get
get out! Get out. What are going nonsense? Huh? A problem of no one I be woman. I've had it up to here. When I'm going.
Madam Rufus, you know. A Rufus, you know. It go water. We just confess. What no that kind of careful. We talk the truth now. We put them for inside shame. Imie okuri we are here. Shut up. Imie okuri we are here. Iwa be Selina na kaba we yekuyo. Selina I don't toast her. Selina don't agree. Okay, ni me ya mu we Selina unya. Nwa gbo na la da we Selina he dori. Wu nwa si balo na. Wana la da we ye be like Selina. For what? For what?
I don't understand. I Selina.
Yes, girl.
My cook.
That's right.
A cook me wife had been
Madam, matter you truth. Go confess this to himself.
Talk her.
Now me first Selena, me tell her say I like her.
Let me first Selina.
Yes, now.
What is the point?
Let me open gate for him.
If you open it for them, you say talk that. If you open it for them,
This is your girl for this.
Will you go shut up? Be present to me. What nonsense?
Sorry,
Hey, whatever, you need to choose between Selena and your job. Why choose up whoever? Then Selena no or your job? What choose? What might take one?
then marry. Get out! Ma. What logo we have no mama now? Nonsense. Selena! On a quoi?
Yeah, we my I don't allow no forget. Selena will be.
Selena, me come back.
Why?
Come back.
Me, ma?
Why?
May come back now. May come back. We know. We just promise we not do that kind of thing again.
With all the problem we don't cause for this house.
We not do it.
No, don't again. Now because we
Shut up, you. No.
If I carry Selena come back to this house, una two do the wahala again. I go sack una two. I'll leave Selena. Deal? Deal?
Madam, wait first. Madam, we agree.
Yes, we agree. You agree?
You accept?
Yes.
You accept.
If Selena come this house, una misbehave. I will sack two of now. I will leave Selena.
We agree.
Perfect.
We agree.
You can leave.
We agree.
Shut up. Leave.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Let me call that to order. Now, hear me so. What I'm going to be saying, get up with that guy where they call Selena, where they cook for everybody when they for this house. She call you, they cook for us. If more, they give us salary. You have to be driver. More than they give us salary, Abi. Get man, more than they pay you. That one, you need it together. I know what I make it. Each every one of them are first in a job. That kind of thing work. I know what I make it. Most especially when I go two of them they play with that Selena, I don't want them again. He couldn't give a place. When I give her a long rope to draw, because you know call for me on the play. No, no, wife. Let me so.
But Selena, mama will take a book.
Couldn't hear what gap yours a morning walk with you. He couldn't walk. Let me so.
You say, may you leave Selena?
Will you? Rufus, Rufus. I say stay clear for that girl, Selena. You hear me so?
Stay clear from...
If no, I will tell my people, save now, my order, save now, don't want to obey me.
Oh,
you go.
Say, they don't tell you.
If I don't tell you now, don't say they talk to you the year.
Why do you want to why they are not? But I'm a coffee or I will done Babe. Go better, look my apple. The making in the one I mean, my view idea was myself. That's again a pie, you know.
As you're supposed to do me when they do this thing now. You know, I just say, Namigo, I tell you that I will take off you. I tell you now. Say you get your mother Muhabi. I tell you.
Thank you. You do well.
No,
but you know, say the money take
from. Rufus. How far now?
I do.
Okay. Food already. I be say make I come call you, make you come chop. But I don't know say you get visitor. Okay now, may I go meet my guy inside. Maybe we say get some good time, you know.
No, so you know go make a mouth gate for you.
No. We dey inside. May I go meet her? Yeah, later now.
Look this up. Look at that. Rufus, it's not madness for you. Hold me down.
I try to help her.
Help her for what?
You know, say, me say work we come give her. So they like to thank me every day. I be cheerful giver, they give people work.
Why Why your body condition? You know where?
Where?
I feel like you.
No.
Who first?
Baba.
That we need to remember that we are no. Oh, that for a month. That didn't care about dinner.
I can say Baba, when next year?
Yeah. I tell you. I will more. I am do. I won't have more. My mega. Okay, me need be we were.
Or even next year.
Baboyo, what is that? What can't you do? What can't you do? What do you find from that side?
But I want to carry food.
I don't feel one. As I want to show, I want the driver or driver. Don't go there again. When you live, I am with
Baba, I have to be a mother.
If you didn't make feel I have changed the situation of this house, change everything. Anytime we say don't go finish, I will go to let me go give you the food to you for your study. Or if it's possible, if you don't finish, I'll carry the food go give myself.
Yeah, what is happening?
I will favor it. A you to a post to get to you, don't you? Okay, now maybe I do work in one kitchen. We call it my favorite.
I want to go.
Madam, don't go there again. Or the life if you don't cook the food finish, I'll go order and cook it for your duty post. Or if not myself, I can't come by myself.
Why you talk about West Africa?
I worry about it. Okay, I don't want it. Don't go there again. For you to come inside that kitchen, they go there anyhow. It's not alright again.
Rufus is okay. You can go. She will need the food for you.
Yeah. You never done yet. Go with I can't come by myself.
You got to change our this thing for you.
I want to be able 1 year.
Baba say. Baba, were you changing any rules and regulations? We got good
my favorite man. What are you? You just ask. You better. You go for that matter.
Oh, my Baba.
Fifth way after we go again. Well, my river, well, now. You are going to you boy me up for the character.
Selena. Yes, ma'am. Imao ni offend us in.
Because she has talked well about you. If not, it kick well than one hand in the sea. Me.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Nana me wa in the road including my father-in-law. Eh? When I nonsense, you came here for a job, you face it.
I'm very sorry, ma'am. No, I agree.
Ima someone or date a boy. You have every right to date anybody you want to date, but not in this house. Not here. Neminana idegbe repeat itself. Ne idegbe sunu, I won't take it lightly with you. What kind of nonsense is this?
I'm sorry, ma'am. Agree, ma'am. Now.
You can go.
Thank you, ma'am. Blessing.
Baba, atuma me say you on Selena Baji Upana.
I told him my way. Who told you that one?
Sam!
Madam.
Larry.
When I tell you my bad. Man, the boy you are.
We are so well.
I'm not talking. I don't know him.
Adabo.
No time I know that. You won't repeat it.
You don't remember me bonita ma when
Always Selena.
Okay. We be pa wo ga ri go ne Selena.
The ball.
Bueno. We no si una na gi una na go ma fit no say again ati no do aro mi no do asekin ze wa wokin yan ti akoke. Bi ka na.
Ma we. Onyi me.
Yes sir.
I will find out so.
I will pass on ya uga go na.
E don't get be ogiase. Apa be ibe.
Wetin ma see. I will so you.
E boy.
Me. E na we me Vatican.
Ereba obi ase.
Eba no nigi na na go na we kitchen na we no so mu na magwe no do aro to we.
Awa ba we ba yeme.
Eba na me fi vatika.
Will you quiet? Ebo agbo.
Anyway,
Ebo agbo say. Ereba here.
Baba, we want when stop
You must stop it.
You have to stop that. You take care. I won't take it from anybody. What are me? Devin Yazao.
Well, I was
Tana. In a power here.
Where you there?
Oh, Matane. You have to stop it. Not in my house.
Who want me?
Not in my house. Why can Selina?
We want you.
Who are good even Selina?
I was so and the Tana. Who will be here?
Oh, here.
See, wa wo we no eh. I'm a boy, Ipalo, and my paddle report in my phone.
A boy, and a boy,
A boy, women. Did you not think me that women fast? You money go there.
Oh, yeah, but you let the Yale. I don't know.
Why? The reason of me.
Where?
Oh, devil.
And then you know that one, I never knew. It's the union with me.
I pay. Every motor receives a salary. I pay. Huh?
What happened to you?
Control. You want someone like can wear demata no stop it. Would I won't take that?
But take with it. What are you control me?
He control where Baba.
Now you wear I
You got that from Leno. You got that from Leno. This is my house.
We're paying money. Have you for the house? Everybody here, who has control?
Baba, I'm not control. I'm just telling you the fact.
Madam.
You don't go out with my cook now. What are you doing?
Madam,
What
you can go.
Wait, what's the brother? No, said,
Madam.
What are you the bonner?
Are you the bonner too? Are you the bonner?
Sure.
In someone who need to work from here, not no. I pay.
I will be made that you going to say that. Okay,
where complain that I send it up who have here Selina.
Wait, there. Do you know it?
Why?
George.
They don't know that from any time I know now. I will report you to him.
Okay, that's your plan.
The plan on him.
Okay, it's your plan work now.
I want you saying here. You don't do that here. You don't do that, and I won't take it from you or any other person. Oh, I have every right to say whatever I want and what I don't want.
Maybe you have you born for years?
I will born for years. I will born for years. Rufus, I sent for you. You know the driver is an old man. You have to give him his respect. Okay?
Yes,
don't disrespect him in any way. Because he's old enough to be your father.
Yes, madam.
Don't disrespect him.
Yes, madam.
It's okay. Madam. Yes. What you say? When you come away and you hear no phone in a phone. So why can I get? Okay, so just bring out the list of the items we need. Okay, ma. As a many time the driver no more are okay, ma. Yes. So as I was saying, Rufus. Rufus, are you not?
Sorry.
Is something wrong with you?
I'm not nervous.
Get out! This way, Mugu.
Madam, me ask Madam Sabi drive.
Yes.
They don't tell you. Wait, for my village, I did drive convoy. If I don't know, now me go without they drive, no so much.
See, wait, see, no be joking matter. You know, say Sam no way. So madam they travel. Sam no go fit carry and travel. She say make I ask whether Sabi drive. Make it for carry and travel. She go stay 1 week. My for fit take care of Sam. Waiting happen.
Madam say me go ask Madam Sabi drive.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm Sam no way.
Sam no way.
Then me go there and go
travel
Travel, yeah.
for 1 week. You go take care of Sam.
Can you drive?
Jesus! Rufus! Stop! Madam! Rufus, stop! Jesus! Madam!
So, I got her, madam. Travel for 1 week. You can't take care of Sam. You don't get better with that one now. For 2 weeks. I know where you are. So you're not coming to today.
Baby, I'm not happy now. I'm not happy at all. If Baba were giving me a problem. All the time. I'm tired. It's been worrying. I wanna go with me. Am I not calm enough? Okay, can you imagine? He gonna send the girl Baba or spend the year Selena my house help? Huh? Yes now. Do I know? Yeah, you better talk to him. Talk to him. I'm tired. Yeah, you have to talk to him. Again, in Baba na call we yeme afiera yeme oni yeme onona yeme ona wa no send go gien. Wa send any go gien. All the Selena. I'm telling you the truth. Yes. La gwegwan. I'm tired. Why won't I be angry? Baba is stressing me now. He's stressing me. It's fine. Oh man, no problem. Okay. Love you. Later.
Feeling good now. I'm fine now. What's in the house? I just finished cleaning.
Oh, don't clean. You can still move here too.
Yes, now.
You don't see clean everywhere.
Not my job.
You try like that.
Thank you.
How far? Selim, you get out and tell you.
Wait a minute.
I'm not going to tell you, say, I don't go to my people. Say, I don't see Mama will marry.
You want to marry me?
I want to marry you.
You funny.
I'm serious. See, that time I see you, I'm very good. That you did sweet me. I said, I go to my people. But if I bring you, Mama will marry. Make her bring her come this year. That's what I can tell you.
So you like me with that thing?
I like you.
Well, I tell you, you say my own not be hard. Okay. Me, I don't get a problem. As far as you go, they take care of me. If they pay you salary, you go carry and give me. You know I'm after the money. The money is everything.
Yes, now. My thing and your thing. Your thing and my thing.
So, as far as you go, they give me money. Are ready?
You ready? Now I'm sure I'll go meet my...
But wait. I go think am.
Okay.
And I will put them into consideration. And secondly, as I dey think am, you go zip your mouth. I'm say you go tell everybody now, say, Selena don't agree. She won't marry me. I'm not going to do it again.
But let people outside. You see that one, not me. Yeah. But I want to know what you don't. If you see it, I see they put me for, consider. Okay. You know now.
I will think am.
I mean.
And you zip your mouth as I dey think.
I mean.
Not tell anybody. I don't know a good job.
Where's my food? Okay.
Oh, really? Oh, mama, you have to be with me. Okay, later. Rufus.
Madam.
What is it?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Madam, good news. Madam, good news.
Okay.
As I'm going to tell you, say, I get good news for you.
Okay, let me hear it.
And I don't tell you, say, I don't see Mama want marry. Mama want marry. I say, I want to tell you, say, I don't see woman want marry. They say I no go marry, but I want marry. My God. Oh God, madam.
It's okay.
Thank God.
Congratulations.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam.
It's fine. Rufus.
Ma?
Well, it's okay. Congratulations.
Thank you, madam.
So, where is the woman?
Madam, don't worry. Madam, when the time comes, you will know now.
Really?
Yeah, my madam. My God. Thank you, madam.
It's fine.
Thank you,
That reminds me. Rufus,
Ma?
I have something to tell you.
Okay, ma.
Sam, stop. Why now? You shock me.
Sam?
Okay. What you define for you?
Okay.
What you want for you? See, my tell you, I know they do better when you get
No, wait.
I know they do small boys.
No, but
I beg.
no, say that time I see for man we come. My boy talk to madam. My boy come and shake. I say since I spend, my person just like spend.
You they spend. Now only me you they spend for. She not only me you they spend for.
Yes,
You not even fear. You they date babe like me with full packaging. See front, see back. You still they do choo. You know the shame.
No. That we talk. I know the Sam don't talk.
Sam not tell me anything.
Okay, what's going on?
Sam not tell me anything. I carry my eye to see everything.
That's what you see now. You know that the destiny help. I help people. Now my younger sister, friend,
Your younger sister
they
friend.
come meet me. Now for school fees, say man give am. Man don't give am. No worry.
So money when you supposed to give me to package myself. Now you dey carry me on that baby. You know even shame. See the kind baby when you go carry.
That man,
I know this.
look like. No worry. I say when you go say that I Gary. Now for that way you talk to them, I want to break up with her.
Better.
I want to break up.
Better.
See for package oh. I beg, but no you call Sam baby again. I beg, give me the baby.
Now you call Sam now. See? Show what I see not break my heart. You break my heart now. You break my heart.
You no break your heart. You no break your heart.
If that you uncle.
Eh?
If that you uncle.
I want to break up now. I want to break up now. I'm going to break up.
How you do like that, sir? Just see me. See packaging. Look back. Get here. Look forward. You come carry me. They compare that thing.
What do you call that? Rest and
Go meet Sam. Me, I don't want you now. Sam, I don't want.
he said, you talk, say, you talk, speak, talk, and don't let us Sam again. Now, they break my heart.
Like me. They even do.
No, that get me. I know that the destiny help and the help people. And the help people. Now make up, but no worry. I want to break up now. Eh?
If you don't break up, don't come back. Don't come back here again.
Break up, oh.
You want to eat your cake, maybe still get that.
Multi-way.
Il a care. When they put a hammer, I believe. Oh, we come and we make money. They want that we make party, we make it. Maybe we make party with help. What
What for me?
I want my man. Do it. He had a big way. He knew
Give Baba.
At the other way, no. Keeping up what we have, wherever have way. Oh, we offer had a way to no, having a way. Oh, when he who be?
No, Baba.
Me, you make body. Where be Emma? Who will hold you my ear? He would, he has to boy. Well, that's it. Wait, in that one, he has to like it, man. Ha!
Ona kwemi. Emi nu tama. Ha! Hey.
This. Who be that man? Who be that? You're not, but you know that.
Who also forget?
Baby. Baby. Oh, baby. Come on now.
Rufus. No baby. No baby. Rufus. Wait first. No baby. Okay. Rufus. I can't tell you say this relationship. I no do again. It don't tire me. I no do again. Who said they find for itself? Money you know they give me. Even if you want to give me, you go promise me heaven and earth. I no go see anything. So Rufus, make I just stay. Man, I know say I know they do anything.
But I give money that day now. When you go, I give money. You give your man. Your brother boy write exam. So you want to do it? I don't give money.
Rufus, clean that your mouth. Clean that. This man, I know they smell for your nose. You know they smell for your nose. I don't blame you. Rufus, you go even promise me money to give no problem. Now you come to me follow you, they do this nonsense. This one you call relationship. This one.
But I love you now. I say no. Was I going to give you money? If my going to increase my salary now, I go increase your money. That's what I be.
God go punish you.
Is it?
Rufus, now go punish you. If your guy give you money, oh, it is I don't know. I know.
What happened?
I know everything. That the one I come with not there. Driver tell me say he get where they pack for your money they give. Where they pack your money they put for you. It is I don't know. I know.
That's why I may be like that. Yes, I get the to give money.
Rufus. You get with
Yes. Just want to break up with me. Me break up now. What is the happen?
I'm not blaming now. I don't blame you.
Yes.
Now God will be say rest. Angel go they create rubbish now blame.
You
don't know.
Yes.
You tell more people when you do practical now.
Yes.
You don't know.
Why you come to me for the first time? Why you come give money?
Now be the thing. Now that there for mumu.
Madam, they go.
Blame you. Rufus, you go suffer.
Not me.
You go shop it. No be you.
Oh, they go.
No be why they see you.
They go.
No be why they see you.
They go.
You go shop Pepe.
They go.
You, Rufus, you go suffer. Now go. Now go.
You fight because I was saying now.
No one.
When you get this uku, you go.
You with them.
You go.
You.
They go.
You
Carry your left lies. They go. No. You fight past Selena, my baby. Selena, my baby. Talk nonsense. You don't come here again, you. Rubbish. So I be gonna tell me. Your head is made with self. Sam, yourself, eh? Nonsense. Don't go disturb me. Selena, hear me.
Rufus, come here for me.
Papa, jam.
Papa, you kill your fire, Mama. Papa. Okay, Mama, come on. What is that? Can I come back? Can I come back? I don't want to pass it.
You know, I know say.
Fully deserve.
I know say you know come back. And this man I'll do. Hey, bye. How they go now? I want to look my gates.
Who are the
You not go woo.
Where are the who?
Madam, you know, madam. I tell you. I tell you, me go win. I tell you, me go win. I tell you, me go win. You want to follow me? Madam, do well. You want to follow me?